So, hello, this is an NSE simulator. So, this is yeah, this is our project, and we can see we already tested it for twice. So, our available capital is 2.7 lakhs. So, let's try and test it again. So, we'll scan this now. Right now, everything of this is it's not automated. We have to do all we have to perform all things manually only. So, let's see in the backend how it's working. So we can see it's um, and searching for stocks here in the backend. Let's see. It will take some time, so we have to wait. It will require some time. So oh, here we can see. So here we can see. So the thing is, this data is run for the whole week from 1st of Jan to the last Friday. So here we can see uh, it buyed ITC 8 times, Adani Enterprises 1 time, HDFC 3 times, Reliance 2 times, and Titan 5 times. Now we can allocate the money to all the selected stocks, and the allocation is successful. So as we can see, and as I told you before, we tested it 2 times before. So now its allocation, current allocation is showing 4.45 thousand. So the remaining capital is 2.5 lakhs. Now let's backtest this, how this thing allocated the money to each and every stock. So for that, we come here for backtesting, and let's run the backtest. Again, it will take some time. And one more thing, if we now try to go on the dashboard, it doesn't show any stocks that we fetched because we don't have any database. So that's why it doesn't store any of the data. So now let's see how it actually allocated the stocks. So let's wait. Let's check at the backend how it's working. So it's fetching the data here. Let's see. So it will fetch the data for each and every stock, how it allocated, which stock we selected, which we didn't selected, the stock which appear again. So all of those things it will select at the back end. Now let's wait for it. Just wait for it. Like complete results. So now we can see the whole 7 days data is here. So we can see, so we taken 3% drop as a selecting criteria. So let's see how much this thing is works. So on first, only ITC is eligible for our selection. So we selected that, and let's say on the second, ITC is again eligible, but it does not buy ITC. On fifth, again only ITC is eligible for 3% drop down criteria. So it does not select it. You can see the quantity 8. We already buy the quantity 8 on first, and on further days, no matter how much it will drop, the quantity will stay that only. Next day, we'll buy LIC and Reliance on 6th. And like this only, we buy stocks on frequent days. And the stock which is fall 3%, and if we buy it, we doesn't buy that again. And like this, our allocation works. And all of these things work for 7 days. And this is how we can see unique stocks. We only pick a unique stock, like as I said before, we doesn't buy a stock again if we buy it before. And all these data are based on the last Friday data, so you can check. Now now let's come to the dashboard again. As I told you, it doesn't show any data now because we don't have any database right now. And so